Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? Morning, Flo. First one down. How you doing? Yes, Happy New Year to you all too, guys. I hope you've had a lovely festive period. Mine has been full of children, mince pies and beer. There wasn't many of them. The odd one. How are we all? Are we good? Make sure we are live right across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, X. Right, so for those of you who are already using Alpha Zones, you may have noticed you had a little update not too long ago, about 20 minutes or so ago. I will go through shortly. So we've had New York open. Not as crazy as it can be. Come down and tapped our 1 hour Alpha Zone. You know what my next question is going to be?
There's a huge gap. There's a huge gap below.
Come on, gap man. Where's our gap?
There's a huge gap below.
Down by the daily?
Yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on the queue though, right?
Well, going into the queue. Yeah, so we've got our 4 hour below. Let's just zoom right in here. Got our 4 hour below. And we've got our queue below. And then lots of drawdown here today. We've got London low, Asia low. And we've got our daily Alpha Zone as well. And as Lord Gap Man over there has just said, we also have a gap below. So we'll be looking.
Lord Gap Man.
Yeah, that's what you're going to be now. Gaposaurus Rex. Right, let me just see if I can get... Yes, it's on here. There we go. Yeah, so obviously we've got to be wary of our... Wary?
Yes, lads.
No, that's not what we want.
Do me? First trade?
Well done, Zoo. GG.
First trade of 2026?
Is it, though?
Well, on the funded.
As I say, don't you be telling lies.
$254. Let's fucking go.
So we've had a sell signal here, but we are smack bang into the queue. Let's see if it closes below. No, that's where we go. Let's get that back. Ended up with a black chart on you. Oh no, we didn't get a sell signal in the end. Price come back up. Okay, good.
So I'd like it to go on to the previous one of the previous queues, 706.
You're just mumbling. You're just mumbling. Well, it's fine. If you want to talk, then talk. But if you don't want to talk, you want to do a mumble, then no.
No. No.
No. Yeah, so I would be expecting. Obviously, we've got a previous queue below. Is that the current one? Oh, this is the current one. I thought it was. So you've got previous Friday's queue there. So obviously above to keep an eye on. That's what I just said. There's a ton of draw for price below. A lot. And obviously
We've already taken overnight highs, swept them. So could run.
how you doing, Nana? Welcome there on TikTok. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining us. If you haven't joined us before, guys, or even if you have, don't forget to give us a little like on the stream. It does help. It means we can get a few more people on. Maybe help some more people. People want to see what we're trading.
Shame you get a bearish break on that one. See the signal, the golden candle. What's happened?
Hey, Mr. Bear. How you doing? I won't make bear noises at you, but welcome. Thanks for joining us. So we have had a sell signal now. That is confirmed. We are smack bang into our queue. As a lot of you will know, I don't with the queue. So we have just broke below our hourly. It's a really awkward place though, let's be honest. Ooh, wait a minute. Why is my queue not showing?
That's it, it's gone anyway.
What queue's that, mate?
Oh, that's weird.
That's an old one. The signal's not gone.
My signal went and came back. So strange. It was always there, just like the
We're not into the queue. The queue's below. That's an old queue. And that's why I've missed that. What a sausage I am. It's a third queue, that.
on the same candle, it went to the stop and into the entry. And then it came back.
Say it again.
On the same candle,
Yeah.
after the signal, it went to the stop and then went through the entry. So the signal went because it went to the stop and it appeared when it hit the entry. It was obviously high and validated. But because it was the same candle, it looked like, oh,
Alright, okay.
never seen that before.
No. Update mine. Been messing with my queues. I should have 3 on.
2 or 3, doesn't really. Right, so we swept liquidity. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I put that queue back on. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not watching the chat. As I wasn't watching the chat as much as I can. I can see you've all made some comments there about me only using 2 QQQ levels. And yes, I should have been using 3. It's not essential. 3rd isn't as
Have you seen the new calculator?
not gone through that yet.
Come on.
Da-da-da. So if you did take that sell signal, give us a W in the chat. QQQ is a ticker that maps the Nasdaq, slightly different to Nasdaq, but it is essentially the real Nasdaq, really, kind of thing. So it is a level that we map off of the QQQ. Plain and simple. Hi Sarge, welcome. Are you trading Nasdaq today?
Let's fucking go.
Get your comments in the chat, guys. Anyone take that one, by the way? I know most of you who had the queue on won't have, who've been trading with us a while. You'll have been sensible and listen to old T saying, don't look with the queue.
That was perfect. Big the system. Perfect.
Let's get my music on. There we go. Bit of Frankie Knuckles.
Who?
Listen,
I don't know who Frankie Knuckles is.
I know you don't know who Frankie Knuckles is. I don't expect you to know who Frankie Knuckles is.
I'm uncivilized, is that the issue?
No, you're just not cool. And this is from like the 90s and you definitely weren't cool then.
Cooler than you, Mr. Briefcase.
Nah, I was 10.
It was still the 90s.
But I was 10?
Still the
You
90s.
said because I had a briefcase.
Yeah.
I was in private school, I was 10.
Still the 90s, briefcase wanker.
Yeah.
No, you got to sign into chat as well.
I know, yeah. My wife trying to ring me while I'm live. Shh.
Silly.
Shh. Silly wife. Silly wife. Like she doesn't know. I'm live every day, man.
Yeah.
And you will know Frankie Knuckles when I play it to you.
Probably.
Right, so we've gone bullish. See how far we're going to pull up before we do. Whether we go fully bullish or we just... Right, they're off. There we go. Frankie Knuckles.
Yeah, but it's a woman singing.
It's a DJ?
Oh, he's a DJ? Oh.
You know the song, yeah?
Yeah.
See?
I didn't know he did more than like one or two, but you can do a lot. A lot of music.
Oh, my earphone. There we go. Right, so we've had our New York push down. Created the new low in that hour. Let's see if we continue to push up and take that high. I don't think we'll take it before the... we might do, you know. Aman, how you doing? You trading Nasdaq today? Right, so we have done a little update today, so let's have a little look. Pop it on the chart while we're waiting for something to happen. Right, so I'm just going to pop the risk calculator on the chart, so you'll be able to see what we've done. PT, how we doing? Welcome over on TikTok. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to give the stream a like. Why has it ended on TikTok? Are you on TikTok? Just says it's ended.
I didn't end it.
That's a shame.
It's just stopped.
It just says the live stream has ended because I'm watching it here.
Wonder it lost connection.
Really annoying.
So are we going to go all of that below?
Right, so let me just oh, we have had a break, so let's just bear with me a minute. So while it's doing that, let's have a look. So you'll see now, nice and simple, we've added both columns so you don't have to choose between. You can, if you're only trading signals, you can just change that to be signals, and you can just change that just to be golden candles. So I'll just zoom up here to show you where we've changed it. So here's your risk calculator settings. So your account size, what you're trading, make sure you're using this rather than the symbol if you're using MNQ on NQ like I do, and risk percentage, whatever percentage you want to do on there. And instead of picking now between golden candle and buy and sell signals, they will automatically both be there, and you can now pick. I'll just move this away so you can see. If I unclick buy and sell signals, it will just change just to show you golden candles and vice versa. As you see, there you go, it's just the one. We've also added, rather than just being TP1, TP2 and TP3 entry prices, we have also added, let's move that there, we have also added the TP1 dollars here, which means you can see how much TP1, TP2 and TP3 would be worth in regards to your risk, so that you know whether the trade is something that you want to get involved in. So annoyed that's kicked off.
I know, I don't know why. Very random. Do you think it might be because I've got this open? Or... Oh, that's why. Okay. Might just have to go live on, try and install it. Can you install the computer?
I don't know, I'm reading one sec. This live was... Hi, Amrit. Eat your fish, yep, that's live. Put it live about 40 minutes ago, 50 minutes ago. It's just before 2 o'clock. So you'll be able to access that now. 1 second, let's get rid of that. You'll be able to see it over here. Apologies, flipping screens there. So we have a buy signal now. We are above our hour. I'm going to turn the calculator off on this screen just because it's rather large. I'm just going to pop it next to me on the other one. So remember, we're looking for a stop order above the candle if this is a trade you're looking to get into. If we take this price below first, then we will not be entering. Inside bar. What I would say is a lot of the draw is below us. So we've come up here, we failed to take this high. See if we get a little pullback here, because that will mean we'll fail to take it again.
10 a.m. in 4 minutes. Signals on the next candle, isn't it? Not on the gold candle, because it's got a wick on it. So it has to be on the next one.
Yeah, I just wondered why it
It got me as well.
did it.
I thought it was tagged in that trade, hand tagged in. It was the gold candle that tagged in, and the signal was on the next candle, which never tagged in, and then it's just.
Yeah, I thought I was like the buy signals should be there, but it's obviously it's invalidated. So.
Yeah. Got me as well.
Whew. Thought I'd made an error in the update then.
Yeah, no, there's been a couple of them that got me while I've been watching it live. Like, what?
Using 5 minutes.
Oh, it's a news. Fucking hell. How bad habit.
Come on, Gap man.
Check the gaps.
You should be doing this stuff. Yeah, so ISM manufacturing PMI. No, that's 3 p.m. What news?
Is it the big man?
No, because the big orange man would be written on there, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
Trump open mouth. Morning, Tara. Happy New Year.
Trump kidnapped Starler. We haven't got any oil, so it'll be alright.
Yeah, we've got no oil. The North Sea's got lots of oil though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, he might pinch Starmer. Big news.
Is it?
Come on, Johnny, Gummy, you're winding me up here, aren't you? What's this big news? Who's having a baby? Okay, good. Didn't fancy the long. Did not fancy the long. Want to see us get through that queue? Smash our heads on the next queue.
Bit of a range at the moment.
I've got 3 on Amrit.
Failed to sit low, failed to sit high. 1 minute.
3 queues at the minute. 3 queues.
Golden candle up.
And even more so when you've got an hour, a queue, and a 4 hour here. This is like, it's a good area of resistance. Come on, Johnny, Gummy, what's this news? Don't be winding me up. 40 seconds to go. There's a massive candle now. I'm blaming you. Nothing on Forex Factory. Nothing. So, new 10 o'clock candle, new 4 hour candle here. Don't like the chop. We can often get this, obviously, as we know, at the end of the move of New York. A little bit of price consolidation here. Not that it was a huge move anyway. Okay, so we've had a golden candle to the upside, which is completely invalidated straight away. On the new 4 hour, it comes straight down. I don't think that's going to be gold. I was correct. That is a big doji candle. So wick down, tap back into that queue again. Ping, 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 ping. Boom, boom, boom. So what are all your goals for this year then? With your trading? What you all trying to get to? Talk to me in the chat. You're trying to pass challenges, you're trying to get into payouts, you're trying to learn something new, you're trying to leave your job, you're trying to leave your husband.
Of course it's a husband,
Yeah.
not a wife for you, is it?
I'm leaving both of them. One's moving to France. So yeah, 2026 is the year that Zoo leaves the country.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Getting pretty close.
Maybe. You're 4 weeks off.
I know, so it needs to hurry up if it's going to happen.
4 weeks off. Ricky, 40k a month. It's a nice target.
Very nice. Payday.
Gummy, you're after 300k payouts after expenses. Nice.
Nice.
What, your expenses? Only joking.
There's buy signal.
Well, 300k would be nice, Gummy. It's not having to do a 9 to 5 job kind of money. Tara, get funded. Well, we have got a couple of things in the pipeline, guys. Who we're looking at? Pardon? Oh, did I? Fuck, I was chatting away, talking. I was reading the chat. Yes, you have a buy signal above the 4 hour. Ooh. So the golden candle got to the golden zone there, but the buy signal hasn't quite done that yet. It's getting really warm. See if it's just a retest. Well done, mate. W in the chat, well done. Was that the golden candle? Well done, Tara. You definitely get funded with all these wins. Let's see if we can get a push up. It's done its little retracement. See whether it's going to continue on down or it's going to give it a push. It's more like it. And that is in the golden zone. Get your W's in the chat. I'm going to see if I can run this higher. I'm break even now.
What have we got at the top?
The queue above. Previous Saturday. Friday's queue. We do have some levels above. Previous day high, obviously.
It's quite way up. Had a real sell-off on Friday. Let's see.
Oh, that's me, Bede. Well done, guys. Well done, Gummy and Ritflow. Yeah, it wasn't ideal, Ricky, I agree. Not the most perfect timing. And I still fancy us to go short.
It's interesting because I've seen the trend trail here, obviously, and then we had that push up. So it's just like not ideal.
No. That's why I went BE as well, because it done this. You can see on here when it come up, it's pushed up and then it's not like this here. It's like if it goes, it goes, but. So we're only 12 minutes into the new hour, new 4 hour. See whether this is going to range around here a little bit or give us a bit of definitive price action, which would be nice. Don't blame your pickles. I would be as well, mate. I still think it might go up and tap that Q before it comes down, but I do think we're going to go short. ATR is very low for this time. 16.
First couple of weeks.
Yeah, and we may get a bit of uncertainty anyway. Anyway, with current international affairs.
Is crude dropping?
I haven't checked crude today.
Whether it's made a difference, yeah.
Pickles had a good couple of trades on crude. There's a few on the Discord had some good trades on crude this morning. So the buy signal played out lovely. But this price action right now isn't great. A lot of wicks. He's moving to France. Don't ask me where, because I've got a clue. He'll love it. He'll just live in a field.
Yes, I will.
He'll just have a big beard. It's a green farmer jacket. Ninja's in Paris. He will not be anywhere near Paris. Nowhere near Paris. He'll be in the south in a field. On a piece of land where nobody can see him. That is literally all he will do. Right, so we did have a golden candle on the 5 minute and a buy signal. Just around here. So we may still well get that push up towards our Q level. Yeah, because on the 5 minute, that buy signal and the golden candle, the golden zone for that is right here. to turn off my trend wave for a minute. Just clean this up a little bit. Still looking like it's got a bit more to push in it. It's one of the reasons he's going, for the weather.
Oh yeah. I hate rain.
But they will have soon. So I'm testing something at the minute, guys. You will see if you see something different on my chart to what you've got on yours. Don't fret. If we're all happy with it, then I will be launching soon.
So we have got 8 more minutes.
Till initial balance.
Our 50% point is 605.77.
605.
605.75.
So pretty much smack bang in the middle of the alley.
Yeah.
Oh well, yeah, obviously.
What do you mean? Why is that obvious? High and low of New York.
Well, it's just pure coincidence then.
Yeah.
That it's almost smack bang in the middle of the
4 hour.
current
Yeah.
4 hour. So we have had a bearish break there. Wasn't a golden candle, but it seems to be trickling its way up. But obviously now that we've had that bearish break, which is our first one since down here, it is possible to get a bullish break and a buy signal again.
We have been taking hourly highs.
We have.
Right now, this is just an inside bar. Looking like we probably will continue to take that high. Golden candle.
Yes, it is. So we are getting a bullish golden candle. See if it closes. Let's see if it takes the top first. Nope. Invalid. No trade. That's why we have stop orders, guys.
5 more minutes. They're going to come shooting down there.
And another break candle.
Big break candle. If we're going to go perfect, this would be a perfect point to fail to take the high and come down lower. But we'll see whether the high gets put in. Nothing yet.
It's not taking that high yet, has it?
You look at how many wicks are on every candle, like up and down.
Yeah.
So joint wicks. There's more joint wicks in the move at the moment than there is. So we haven't had a kind of clean trend, if you like.
Yeah. It only really did that to get out the initial bit to get out the hour, and then prices just consolidated around the top.
Yeah. Really, our first trade out of the New York Open down, and then sort of rejection off the queue, buy signals, really being the only clean opportunities, really.
Just gonna bide our time now. Not trying to be Rockefeller, just wait for the right opportunity.
Good volume on this.
So how many of you actually trade with another person? Or do you all trade alone? Do you have anyone you talk to a lot while you're trading? Talk through your trades with? Anything? Or do you all do this all alone?
I trade alone. You're a figment of my
I'm not even biting. Not even biting. Sometimes I wish you would. Yes, Ricky, you do have us. Yes, you do. Well, you all have each other, guys. That's why I'm glad you come on. That's why we keep coming on. Right, so we're getting a bullish golden candle with a buy signal. A bit more conviction to it. Just be a little bit careful that that isn't the expansion.
It's no longer golden, and it's no longer.
Oh, and it disappeared. It's not gold or a buy signal.
I don't know why.
Well, I'm going nowhere, guys, so don't worry. If you're trading alone and this is the interaction you're getting from coming on trading, then I'm going nowhere. As if this week as well, I will be doing longer sessions, so I'm going to be coming on much earlier and staying through the New York session as well. Pending I can get TikTok to kick as well. But yes, we'll be on here longer. I'll still be doing New York, but I will be here earlier for those of you who want to maybe get access a bit earlier.
We're just going to trade throughout the day.
Yep, be in and out, but
On and off, yeah. So no reversal yet.
I share with your mate Kevin. Nice. I think sometimes it's good. It's good to have somebody to sound off, keep you accountable, tell you when you're being a prat.
Right? You being a prat.
You've got no qualms in telling me when I'm being a prat. Cheeky buy on MNQ. Oh, go on, let's have a nose. Is that the one you just got?
The only thing I'd say is the liquidity is so far away above that it'll usually do one or two things, which is it'll create liquidity above. So we'll put a high, we'll come back down, come back and take that, create another high.
Oh, you weren't wrong. You weren't wrong, Pickles. Previous candle on the air. It's got a cheeky little buy here on MNQ.
Oh,
Pump.
nice. Pickles all over it.
Smashing it today, Mark. That is how we want. That's what we want to hear.
It's come out of the gate like 2026. You can have it.
So we are getting our buy signal now, if it holds. So we have got a buy signal. We did have, obviously from there, we did have some bullish volume. Right, so let's go. I'm in the interest of transparency. Shut up, you. See if we can get into our golden zone. Let's go. AI trade butler. Male or female? So he's got an AI trade butler.
Listen, the only partner I want is one that's bringing me booze and food.
Yes. Single malt, please, Jeeves. Scan I'd one.
Exactly. Jeeves, I'm trading. Bring me the cheese.
That's V2. Nice. Not looking great. Nah. Nope, that is a loss. So we've had a break candle and it's a big push. Yep, loss for me as well, Ricky. But we soldier on through. Yeah, it didn't look bad, mate. I fancied it up to the queue as well, but so pushing right down now. Very little volume. Awful session, really.
Yeah. But it's the first proper week, Jan. I could expect it to be.
Yeah, we thought it might be a bit crappy. Week one.
Most of the liquidity is below as well, and now we've put in a high. So the high is, once this candle closes, will be confirmed. So we expect a slightly deeper retracement.
Yeah. What was that? 37 minutes. interesting.
What? What?
Just seems almost like it finished its move. Let's see if it closes above. As soon as I open my mouth. Excuse me. Okay, so we're getting a golden candle to the downside. So we are above the hour. It is into the hour. However, there is plenty of room. If it closes below. That is invalid. Take the top of the golden candle. It had, to take note though, it had, as you can see, it come right down and it just made the golden candle, but only just. We got a lot of wick here. Is it going to come back and test that 4 hour from the hour? No, I haven't stopped taking the 4 hour into account. 4 hours here below. This is no entry anyway. However, if you were going to take it, we could be taking it to the golden zone if it hadn't have invalidated it. It's got 12 minutes left of this hour. Does feel like it's fighting its way to get down. Just no volume at all. ATR down at 9. I think at half 10, 11 o'clock in New York.
Moved quite a bit this morning, I think, didn't they?
That is low though.
Yeah, it's low.
Really low. For an hour and a half into New York.
We had that period, if you remember, a while back, where by the time sort of 10:30 hit, we were down at 9, 8 on ATR, and it did that for about, I think it was September. It was when I was live.
Yeah.
It was that. Sure, it was September, and then eventually, I think it was just around. It was just after the holidays. Took a bit of time after the holidays.
Yeah.
And eventually, the volume kicked back in. So, we'll see.
Well, I don't know if they're wankers. I don't know anyone from New York.
No, well, your mate's a Texan.
Oh, my mate's a Texan, yeah. The proper Hicks. Self-confessed.
Is his name Tex? Is it?
Tanner. My mate Tanner. Stay at these wicks again. You just get a little bit of movement and then it goes.
one of those wait for later on in New York.
Yeah.
I think this is why moving into January, being earlier and kind of trading for out, just having that patient time and just wait while things just sort themselves out.
Yeah. Gives more opportunity being on longer.
Of course, you know.
There's the push. Wow. So break back up. Now I might just do exactly the same back down again as it has been. Night, Amrit. Take care, buddy.
We haven't had any massive aggressive push for the gap fill. Like, you know, sometimes we have that where it decides it wants to go.
Yeah.
And then off it goes, and it's aggressive in it going.
Yeah, it's not done that yet. You feel like it will do it though.
It's got a bearish golden candle.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh. Coming back.
Again.
Yeah. Whipped all the way down, come all the way back.
Problem is to be gold, well, to be a break candle, it only had to be really, really small.
It's gone all the other way, so it's like
You don't be touching that wick there. It's going to break straight above it anyway. Yep. And a break back above.
And a golden one. Just flipping changed. Split. Immediately back down.
It's horrible price action.
Coming back.
Yeah, CL might be playing nice.
See how?
This is not, yeah.
See how it's cleaner, yeah. Thought it might have more movement in it with what's going on. Okay. Quite invalidating. You want out? Finally, I might get some change with your price.
Possibly. Well, there's an invalidation on the golden candle. So a bearish golden candle again.
Don't really know why I lied.
Price is shocking. Like absolutely shocking.
I don't mind, you know, like it's in normal cases, like you know, return to the 4 hour. You can see that very often. We retest the previous hour, but we've been bopping up and down from this area. There we go. To bring it back up.
Fucking hell.
So.
Yeah, it's not going to do some movement. I'm just going to,
Call it a day.
yeah. Let's give it a couple of minutes to see what it's going to do. Had one volume bubble in half an hour.
That just says it. That just says it. Back to taking highs on the 5 minute.
So it is possible for us to get a buy signal. We have got 3 green traffic lights. We would need some volume though.
Like I said, because there's no liquidity above, because it's so far away, you end up with one of those days where it creates by creating ranges.
Yeah, yeah.
So I wouldn't be surprised if we went for the low at 637, put another high, then swept the high later on. Like just range around, but it's difficult to know. Like structurally, we'd expect to go on and take the high now.
Yeah. But the way it is, you just never know.
Yeah. Well, let's see. We could get a buy signal, couldn't we?
We could. It's going to need some volume. We've not seen that in a while.
What is that?
What are these bubbles you speak of?
This volume? Which, to be fair, one of the reasons why they're so good in the indicator, because it's keeping you out a lot of this chop.
Yep, it's the point of having volume in the signals.
So in the volume, it can push more. Previous hour high.
We do not have the traffic lights for a signal yet though.
No, that's true. 5-minute golden candle.
Got previous day's Q above, previous hour high above. Starting to look a little bit more bullish. Just took the previous hour's high. We are getting a buy signal.
Candle 5. And it's a golden candle in 5. But just swept that out. So it goes through the buy and the 5. Everything's bullish on the 5. It's like the golden candle on the 5. Let's see if we can just push through those highs.
See if we can get some bullish volume on it. Come on, let's get some bullish volume. See if we get a push up into the golden zone. Come on. Took a win, Tara. Well done. GG. We've still got 3 green traffic lights, so... That's a push. See how far it wants to push. It's one of those days, guys.
Taking highs and reversing. Taking highs and reversing. Shame we didn't get the signal out of the hour.
Yeah. Nah. Well, on that note, guys, I'm not taking any more. Live to fight another day. Thank you all for coming on. I'll be on earlier tomorrow. I'll drop a schedule in the morning so you know when it's going to be. But other than that, yeah, me too. 2 and I'm done. Have a good one, guys. I will speak to you tomorrow. Green day tomorrow. Take care, guys.